Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to download and install Firefox browser on mobile app. So now I get started. All we need to go to our Play Store. Go to your Play Store for Android user, and for iPhone user you can go to your App Store and you can search for Firefox browser. Firefox browser, you can see for Android latest version. Once you click on it, click on install, and you're going to wait for it to automatically install. And this is it. It is very fast. Let's wait for it. It's still pending. Okay, our download is started. Is Firefox has started downloading, so let's wait for it. Okay, I think it's network. Alright, network. So let's wait for it. Okay guys, as we are waiting, if you are a new subscriber, thank you. And if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for being with us. We promise to give you the best. Alright, I think it is going. So I don't want to waste much of our time. So once you download this thing finish, it's very easy. Just open it and you can start browsing with your Firefox very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.